In this video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. But before that, if you're new to this channel, give it a like and subscribe. Now let's head on. So this tutorial is for Windows 11 users, but this can be also applied to Windows 10. Now, let's say that you have Microsoft Edge as your default browser in your laptop or computer, and you want to change it into Google Chrome as default. So whenever you install another browser, when you open it for the first time, there will be a prompt that will say set it as default. But you might accidentally exit it, or you have now a change of mind to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Now in this video, I will show you how to do that. Now let's head on to our Windows icon here at the center. Then go ahead into settings, click settings. Now go to apps, click apps. Now look for default apps. So here it is. Just click default apps and look for Google Chrome. So just scroll down, click Google Chrome. And as you can see here, there is a set default button. Just click it and then there's check. Now Google Chrome is your default browser instead of Microsoft Edge. As you can see here, there's no check mark in Microsoft Edge. And now Google Chrome is your default browser on your laptop or computer. So whenever you're opening a link or gonna browse or surf, you are now gonna do it on Google Chrome. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.